Hi, my name's Rachel. I'm a mobile strategist and I run the app blog ladyapp.com. And today we're going to talk about one of the best uses for an iPad, and that's reading magazines. Um, Apple has created several special features, especially one called Newsstand, that allow us to really easily purchase, download, and read magazines. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to use that today. So one of the really great features Apple's introduced is called Newsstand. Newsstand actually comes preloaded on your iOS devices, and it looks a little bit like iBooks kind of used to with the bookshelf. So you're going to click on Newsstand, and I actually already have a few magazines in here, but when you open yours, if you haven't loaded any yet, it should seem like empty shelves. So let's get some magazines. If you look in the upper right corner of your Newsstand, you're going to see a button that says Store. Now I'm going to have to flip this right now so we can take a look at it. So what this has done is actually taken us to iTunes, where we can see lots of different things that we can buy. So there's lots of free magazines, things like catalogs. What a lot of these do is you're going to see them free. You'll see like Oprah's magazine, O magazine is free. What you're doing when you're downloading these free magazines, and let's actually download Oprah's magazine so we can try it out. I'm going to have to flip again and type in my password. So what you're doing usually is you're not actually loading the magazine. What you're going to be doing is downloading a container app. So while Oprah loads, let's take a look at another one of those container apps. So I subscribe to Wired. I'm going to have to flip again. So this is Wired's container app. If you look in my library, you'll see all my issues of the magazine. This container is the free app that I downloaded, but I actually had to pay for each issue. And the way I use Wired and other magazines is I actually subscribe to them. So every month when I have a new issue available, it puts it available for download. So basically, if you'd like to read magazines on your iPad, just to recap, it starts with going to Newsstand, going to the store, finding a magazine that you enjoy, downloading the container app, and then subscribing to the magazine. So whether you're more the Time magazine type or the People magazine type, now you know how to get magazines on your iPad. My name is Rachel Ewens, and this has been How to Get Magazines on Your iPad.